This is the number one reason why you aren't living your dream lifestyle. 100%. I honestly believe this is it. Are you ready? Let's imagine that everyone is a boat and we're all circling an island. And on the island, there is a diamond, right? This beautiful diamond. And let's imagine that you're circling, you're looking at this, and you're thinking, where's that diamond? You're searching and you're looking. You start going round and round and round, looking for this diamond. But you just keep circling because you can't see it yet, because you know that perfect diamond. You know the diamond you want, the most perfect one. And this is what you do. And this is why, even for myself, we remain stuck. Because we just keep going round and round. Until we realize that we're never going to see it on the boat. We jump off the boat, we start swimming, we get to the island, and then we start searching around, thinking, you know what, maybe I didn't want that diamond. You start looking and you start searching. Now, where does that apply for you in your life? Where are you currently just circling? Where you're thinking about a lot of things, but you're not doing anything. Because remember, you can think about it all you want, but only when you do it do you get feedback. And this is where I see most people stuck in analysis paralysis, where we analyze lots of things, but we don't have the follow through in order to make it happen. So I challenge you to take action towards your dreams. Instead of saying, you know what, I am now going to make a decision, I'm going to start swimming. I don't want to think about it, I want to take action, and I want to make my life extraordinary and create that lifestyle for myself, as opposed to thinking about it, I'm going to make it happen. So jump off your boat, make it happen, and I really hope that you can comment right now with one action you can take in order to make that happen. I look forward to reading through them, and I'll speak to you soon.